You. You, you, you. It hasn't even been 24 hours, and you are already causing trouble. Got yourself in the middle of a court case that involved some members of the Fatui. You get into contact with Damosel, and then you get involved in another court case that involves another Fatui, a harbinger no less. And now you are caught red-handed trying to sneak into the Hydro Archon's bedchambers. Well, I never believed somebody would be so stupid to try that. And yet, I'm proved wrong. Mr. Honorary Knight, Saver of Liyue, etc., etc., etc. If you thought that will give you a free pass here in Fontaine, you are wildly mistaken. And now we find ourselves into a tricky situation. After all, you are a first. There are no precedent of your attempt to reach the Hydro Archon. Nobody has tried that before. So, while the Chief Justice is deciding how to handle your case, you are under my custody, and you will be staying here until the time comes that you have to stand trial. Now, what do I do with you? I wonder, what made you act in such way? Maybe it was an attempt to hurt our beloved Hydro Archon, Lady Farina. Or maybe was an attempt to get closer to me? Please, you and I both know that if you wanted to, you would have freed yourself from those chains already. But you haven't. Why? So I'm right. I have to admit, the moment that you enter Fontaine and I saw you, you captivate me. Now that I have a closer look at you, I can see why everybody's talking about you. And I decided that I want you for myself. And by the looks of it, you are not against the idea. Am I right? Now, let's get to work, shall we? So, while we're waiting for Fontaine justice, I am delivering my justice. You are guilty. You are guilty of completely stealing my heart. And now you are going to pay the consequences of your actions and take responsibility for it. I'm tracing those battle scars you have. I'm a champion duelist. I am one if not the best, if I say so myself. I also have a couple of battle scars myself. You don't get where you are without a couple. I figure that will not be a problem to you, a seasoned knight like you. Now, I'm gonna kiss all of them. Okay? It's hard. Not everybody can make me lose control. Congratulations. All right, Mr. Adventurer, Mr. Hero, Mr. Saver, Mr. Troublemaker, I sentence you. Now, come here. Your punishment? Non-stop pleasure. From now till your trail starts.